What if the biggest mistake 2026 Toyota Aygo X owners are making isn't obvious until it's too late? Many drivers think they understand this car, but one critical misunderstanding is quietly costing owners thousands. Stay with me, because this isn't just a small tip. It could save your car's value. Welcome back to Supercar. If you want to protect your investment and avoid costly car mistakes, hit that subscribe button right now. Today we're exposing the massive mistake most 2026 Toyota Aygo X owners make, and why understanding this car properly could be the difference between a smart buy and an expensive regret. Why does a vehicle designed by the masters of reliability suddenly feel like it is struggling the moment you leave the flat paved streets of the city center? The massive mistake most 2026 Toyota Aygo X owners make is falling for the crossover illusion. Toyota's marketing and design teams did such an incredible job giving this car high ground clearance, chunky plastic cladding, and a commanding seating position that owners naturally assume it has the mechanical backbone of a true SUV. However, beneath that aggressive, rugged exterior beats the heart of a pure, lightweight city car powered by a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine. The mistake begins when owners attempt to use the Aygo X for high-speed mountain climbs, heavy-duty rural commuting, or even light towing. This engine is a masterpiece of efficiency for stop-and-go urban traffic, but it is not designed for sustained high-load environments. By pushing this small displacement power unit as if it were a 2.5-liter Highlander, owners are causing premature piston ring wear and thermal stress that the cooling system simply wasn't sized to handle for long periods. Is it possible that your pursuit of a smooth, gearless driving experience is actually causing your sophisticated S-CVT transmission to overheat every single day? The second part of this widespread error involves the sequential continuously variable transmission, or S-CVT, which is a hallmark of the 2026 model's convenience. While Toyota has perfected the CVT for reliability, many owners are treating the Aygo X like a sports car because of its nimble handling and light chassis. There is a common habit of floorboarding the accelerator from a standstill to keep up with faster traffic, which forces the CVT to work at its absolute maximum torque limit immediately. Unlike a traditional torque converter automatic that uses physical gears, a CVT relies on friction and belt tension. Constant aggressive acceleration creates localized hotspots within the transmission fluid, breaking down its lubricating properties years ahead of schedule. Owners who treat every green light like the start of a Grand Prix are finding that their smooth transmission starts to shudder or drone before they've even hit their second service interval, all because they misunderstood the power delivery of a city-focused drivetrain. Could the hidden weight you carry around every day be the silent killer of your fuel economy and your suspension's longevity? Another huge mistake involves cargo creep, a phenomenon where owners mistake the surprisingly deep and accessible boot space of the Aygo X for a limitless payload capacity. Because the car feels so solid on the road, it's easy to forget that it's built on the TNGA-B platform, which is really optimized for lightness. We see so many 2026 owners keeping heavy gym equipment, bulky tools, or even permanent roof box setups on their cars, just in case. For a car with roughly 72 horsepower, an extra 100 pounds of unnecessary weight changes the entire aerodynamic and mechanical profile of the vehicle. It forces the engine to stay in a higher RPM band just to maintain highway speeds, which not only destroys the fuel economy that made you buy the car in the first place, but also puts constant, unnecessary pressure on the suspension bushings and dampers. This leads to a tired feeling in the steering and a bouncy ride quality that many owners mistakenly blame on the car's build quality rather than their own loading habits. What if the very technology designed to keep you connected and safe is secretly draining the lifeblood of your electrical system while you sleep? Okay, so we have to address the 2026 tech suite. specifically the Toyota Smart Connect system and the array of USB-C charging ports. The Aygo X is, honestly, packed with more technology than almost any other car in its class, but it still uses a compact, lightweight battery to save on space and weight. Now here's the thing. A massive mistake many owners make is using the car as a mobile office or an entertainment hub while the engine is off, whether it's sitting in the car with the infotainment system running during a lunch break or leaving high-drain dash cams and accessories plugged in all the time. The strain on the small capacity battery is actually pretty immense. Because the charging system is optimized for fuel efficiency, it doesn't always fully replenish the battery on those short, 10-minute trips that are typical of city driving. This leads to a cycle of deep discharging that can kill a brand new battery in less than a year, leaving owners stranded with a car that won't start, even though it's practically new. So, does the X-Factor styling of your car require a level of specialized care that you are completely ignoring during your weekend car wash? Finally, we have to talk about the physical X elements of the car, the bi-tone paintwork and the extensive plastic wheel arch cladding. A common mistake is treating these surfaces with the same harsh chemicals or automated car wash brushes used for older, all-metal vehicles. The 2026 Aygo X uses sophisticated plastics and matte finishes in certain trims that can easily become chalky or faded if they aren't protected from UV rays and harsh detergents. Owners who skip the specialized plastic trim, protectants or use strip wash soaps are finding that their rugged-looking crossover starts to look aged and weathered after just one summer. And honestly, this isn't just an aesthetic issue. It significantly hurts the car's resale value, since the bi-tone look is the primary selling point of this model on the used market. Alright, so, how can you transform your 2026 Aygo X from a potential repair shop regular into a legendary example of Toyota reliability? To avoid these massive mistakes, you simply need to align your expectations with the car's engineering reality. Treat it with the finesse of a city car rather than the aggression of an off-roader. Keep your cargo light, your acceleration smooth, and your oil changes frequent. When you respect the limits of the 1.0-liter platform, and give the S-CVT the care it deserves, the Aygo X becomes one of the most rewarding and economical vehicles on the planet. It really is a brilliant piece of design, but it requires an owner who understands that X marks the spot for urban agility, not off-road durability. Thank you for watching Supercar. If this deep dive saved you a trip to the mechanic, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what your experience has been with the 2026 Aygo X so far. We will see you in the next one.